Most people think fasting is just not eating, but true fasting is an ancient reset for the body, mind, and spirit. It's not starvation, it's precision, discipline, and awareness. Before you start fasting, prepare your body. Eat clean for at least 1 or 2 days. Fruits, veggies, water, and light meals. No heavy junk food. No sugar crashes. You want your system calm, not craving. Hydrate deeply. Your body runs on water, not willpower. Set your intention. Why are you fasting? To heal, to focus, to connect deeper with your higher self? Without intention, fasting becomes suffering. With intention, it becomes transformation. When you start, drink water throughout the day. Hydration keeps your cells alive. You can drink tea or black coffee, but skip the calories. If hunger waves come, breathe through them. They pass like clouds. Don't force yourself into exhaustion. Fasting is alignment, not punishment. Use time to meditate, read, or journal. Every hunger pang is a reminder that you are in control, not your appetite. You are teaching your body obedience to your spirit. Move lightly, walk, stretch, breathe. If you ever feel dizzy or faint, drink electrolytes or end the fast safely. Fasting should cleanse you, not hurt you. When it's time to eat again, don't rush. Start small, fruit, broth, or soft cooked veggies. Then gradually add a balanced meal. Breaking the fast is sacred. Honor it with good food and gratitude. Notice how your sharp mind feels, how clear your energy becomes. That's the gift of fasting, renewal from within. Fasting isn't just skipping meals. It's remembering your power. It's choosing mastery over craving. It's proof that you control your body, not the other way around. If you're ready to go deeper, to learn how to cleanse your mind, body, and soul on every level, get my book. It's your step-by-step guide to your inner transformation, discipline, and divine health. The link is in the bio. Start mastering yourself today.